I've been seeing some of these bugs. So I've been killing them by hand, but I'm going to be using the organic pesticide and see if it works.
Natural pesticide and fungicide. It clears the garden of pests and has no harmful chemicals and costs next to nothing. Protecting plants from pests and fungi is essential for their healthy growth and development. Various insects, mites, and snails can do a lot of damage, slow down the growth of plants, and reduce their yield. In addition to directly damaging the plants, they can also transmit dangerous diseases that further weaken the plants. So please stay with us until the end of this video because we will prepare a powerful natural pesticide and fungicide that will protect your plants. This preparation works against aphids, caterpillars, snails, ants, potato beetles, mites, whiteflies, and several types of fungi. Ants feed on the secretion, honeydew, from aphids, which makes the problem even worse. So it is very important to repel them from the plants because they will ruin all your efforts. Dear friends, please help us by subscribing to our channel. It is free. Thank you.
Today we'll be making an organic pesticide. I use we need 16 ounces or half a liter of the water. I put this is tap water. I put a jug of tap water in the sun for a few hours so that the chlorine will evaporate and we will warm up the water because we need warm water. So I got 16 ounces here. Then we're going to add some water to the blender. 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We will blend all this together in the blender. Then we'll add the mixture to the rest of the water. A cup. These coffee cups are perfect for this. I usually save some of them. And we'll let it sit for 24 hours. And we need to add 2 more ingredients, 1 or 2 more ingredients. So we'll wait until tomorrow. Now that we left the mixture for about 24 hours, we're going to make the insecticide and pesticide. It's a paper towel to strain the liquid because we don't want the sprayer to get clogged. Pour it slowly. We don't want to make a hole in the paper towel. Use another piece because the other paper towel got clogged. And we need 3/4 gallons of water. I left this water, this is tap water. I left it in the sun for a few hours so that the chlorine will kind of evaporate, and also the water will become warm, because it's better if you have a warm water for the mixture. And we add the mixture that we strained. Add about 3/4 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, 3% hydrogen peroxide. And 3/4 tablespoon of dish liquid. Close it and then kind of mix it. Don't shake it hard because you'll get soap suds. And every time that you use, you have to mix it well. Then we're going to test the plant on one leaf and wait 24 hours to see if the leaf is okay. And then you could spray the whole plant. Make sure that you spray the underneath of the leaf also, because usually that's where the pests, the insects, they lay their eggs in the underneath the plant, and also they hide underneath the leaf. Okay, so we're going to test it on this leaf. It looks like it has fungus, and this one that looks like the pests are eating it. We'll spray the top, the bottom, same thing with this. And we'll wait 24 hours to see if there's any damage to the leaf. Okay, it's been over 24 hours and there's no damage to the leaf. So we're going to spray the whole plant. protect it, and also spray underneath. Okay.
Preparation for about 3/4 gallon, 3.5 liters, in 16 ounces, 1/2 liter of warm water, add 2 cloves of garlic chopped by hand or blender. Garlic is an excellent natural insecticide because it contains sulfur compounds such as allicin, which has a strong repellent and antimicrobial properties. Its strong smell confuses insects and deters them from the plants. Also, the sulfur compounds prevent the development of fungi and bacteria. In addition, garlic interferes with the nervous system of many pests, reducing their ability to feed and reproduce. Then add a 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, which has strong antifungal properties, and its smell bothers many pests, which will prevent them from attacking the plants. These ingredients are enough, but you can add 1/2 spoon of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that acts as a natural repellent, deterring insects and hindering their ability to feed. You can add red pepper powder instead of black pepper, and you can also add 1 spoon of neem oil or rosemary oil if desired. Mix it well and leave the mixture for 24 hours so that the ingredients are well combined and become more effective. Add 1 spoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide treats fungal diseases. Add 3/4 of a spoon of dish soap. Dish soap helps break down the wax layer on the bodies of the insects and prevents them from breathing, which dries them. At the same time, dish soap helps the solution to adhere better to the plants. Then strain the liquid to prevent clogging of the sprayer. Dilute the mixture with another 3/4 gallon, 3 liters, of water. If you have a severe problem, mix the mixture with just 1/2 gallon, 2 liters, of water for a stronger solution. If using tap water, leave 1 gallon, 4 liters, with the cap open, in the sun for several hours so that most of the chlorine will evaporate and warm up the water. Test first on 1 leaf of the plant. First, and check the leaf after 24 hours. Then spray the plants every week or every few days depending on the severity of the pest problem. Spray very early in the morning or in the evening, never under the sun, it will burn the leaves. Spray after heavy rain when the leaves are dry. The most important part is to spray the underside of the leaves, where pests usually lay their eggs. If the eggs remain intact, then the problem will not be completely solved. Please share this video with your friends so that they can also combat their pest problem. Thank you.